Welcome to our disassembly guide for the Alienware Area-51 laptop. Before you start, make sure to check out our safety and precautions video. The link will be in the description below. For this video, make sure to have the appropriate tools, screwdrivers, anti-static mat, and a clean surface to work on. Let's get started. Flip the computer upside down and remove the bottom screws to take out the bottom cover. Afterwards, check out the links along this video, which will show you how to remove the hard drive wireless card and the RAM. Disconnect and unroute this cable. Then go ahead and do the same with the battery cable. Remove the 6 screws holding the battery. You can leave the hard drive there. Next, remove the 6 screws holding the heatsink cover. Don't forget the 2 screws on the back. Disconnect the cables to pull the plastic piece out. Use the latches and be careful while doing so. Disconnect and unroute this cable. Lift the system up and pull away the back cover. Finish unrouting the cables. Remove the 15 screws holding the plastic cover. The cover should come out easily. Disconnect the fan cables. Remove the 10 screws holding the heatsink. Be patient and pull the unit upwards. At this point, we cleaned and reapplied the thermal paste. Set and align the heatsink. Follow the numbers to screw the unit. Add the 2 fan screws. and reconnect the fans. Align the plastic cover. Route the cables before proceeding. This process might take a while. Now you can connect all the cables. Secure the plastic cover using 15 screws. Slide the heatsink cover back on. Connect the cable and use 6 screws to hold it in place. Route the hard drive cable and connect it. Set the battery in place and secure it with 6 screws. Lastly, route the cable and connect it at the end. To reconnect the rest of the parts, we have a video in place, so go check that out. Remember, if you need help or have any questions, contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more official Alienware tutorials. Thanks for watching.